If you just switched from Windows to Mac, I'll bet the first thing that drove you crazy was the scroll wheel going the wrong way. You scroll down and the page goes up. You scroll up and the page goes down. It feels completely backwards. I'm Tim, and in this video, I'm going to explain exactly why that happens and how to fix it in about 30 seconds, so you'll never get confused again. First, let's talk about why Apple did this, because it wasn't an accident. On Windows, scroll wheel up equals page moves up. Scroll wheel down equals page moves down. The page follows the wheel. Apple calls their way natural scrolling. Apple introduced it in operating system 10 Lion in 2011. The idea came from the iPhone and iPad. When you use a touchscreen, you push the content with your finger. If you push content up with your finger, the page moves up, so you see the lower content. Apple wanted the mouse wheel to feel the same way. Most Windows switchers find it anything but natural at first. So Apple wasn't trying to confuse you. They were trying to make the mouse feel like a touchscreen. Whether that worked is a matter of opinion. If you want to flip it back to the Windows way, here's how to do it in about 30 seconds. First, you click over on your Apple icon and go to System Settings. From there, you scroll down to the bottom till you get to Mouse, and you click on that. And then over on the top right, you can turn natural scrolling on or off. If you have a trackpad, you'd go to System Settings and you select Trackpad. And then you go to Scroll and Zoom. And you can turn natural scrolling on or off. It should be noticed that the mouse and the trackpad are independent of one another, so you need to set them separately. Here's a quick side-by-side of how scrolling works on each platform. Before you run off and change that setting, here are a couple of things worth knowing. Pro tip number 1. If you use both a trackpad and a mouse, remember to change the setting in both places. They are completely independent. Pro tip number 2. If you use a Magic Mouse, the scrolling is actually a touch surface. Swiping up moves the page up, just like a trackpad. Pro tip number 3. Give natural scrolling a week before you turn it off. Many Windows switchers actually end up preferring it once their muscle memory adjusts. And pro tip number 4. If you use both Mac and Windows regularly, keep natural scrolling on Mac, and standard scrolling on Windows can mess up your muscle memory. Pick one style and stick with it. So there you have it. Why Mac scrolling feels backwards and exactly how to fix it. Whether you keep natural scrolling or switch it back to the Windows way is totally up to you. Either way, now you know where the setting is. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got a whole series comparing Mac and Windows side by side. Check the cards on the screen for more videos in this series. I'm Tim. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.